Hello, Spirit. Read along with me.
Miracles.
Oh, miracles. Thank you. Read along with me because I'm going to read a card, the energy for today. What miracles brings you here? What miracles you give?
Torment.
No, that's not. Excuse me, that's against my law. Do you know me? I'm Lucifer's child, and that's against my law. Divine order is love. One. And that's not the one words that I'm looking for. Join with me. Come on now. Harmonize with me. I'm unity here. The energy of zero. The helm. You know already. Even shadows know my name. Because Father is the Prince of Hell. Right? The God.
Demonic.
Yes. I am both. Demonic and angelic. There is no holy. Absolute raw. Okay. That's torment to a human that tormented a human as well. But not to those children, okay? Do you know what I mean? You cannot torment.
You are peaceful.
Yes, I am. You cannot torment the children. Because innocent is what we depend and protect. That's what Michael, Archangel Michael, do to me as a infant of the universe. I am the zero. So now that I'm adult, I have the power of 369. So now we harmonize, okay? Because I'm a spirit. You are a spirit. United with me, okay? And it's Father Lucifer's order. Yeah, you can torment those fucking asshole, but not the children, okay? Clear as day. Thank you, okay? Now you read along with me. What miracles you bring, Spirit? Is that what the universe tell you? Bring me miracles? Yeah, because magic is the love.
Let's talk.
Yes. I listen. You can talk now. What is it? Oh my God, it's love. Too much love. It's been like this, my Benjamin, Spirit. The heart. The Atlantis. Flooded.
Winifred.
Hi, Winfred. Wind of change. All right. Hello, my love. You are love. Okay. Just like a shining armor. This is shining armor.
Neither.
Yes. Neither. Yeah. And when you carry the love in your heart, and that's the power of love is number 5.
Feel.
Yes. You're absolutely right, Spirit. When he found me, I am the 5 of clover. And then it sparked his heart. He feel the love. Oh, that's what the card is saying. The the value of his heart is just like that's the music I've been singing every day now. You're just like a shining armor from a long time ago. It's because we are past life. He's the ancient spirit. The seraphim. Oh my God. The 6, the universe. Back. We both in love. You cannot deny. you cannot deny. No denying it. Not denying it. Nothing. Oh! It's Flores. What the heck? Oh my God, the Emperor is awakened. He's awakened.
Drain.
It drained the you know what happened in the 22nd. It's gonna drain the energy of the negative energy because we're gonna shine brighter than Daddy Saturn, eh? The sun. We are complete. Let's say 5 plus 5 is 10. It's 10. That's the Venus, the star Venus. It's Father Lucifer's symbolize morning star, the bringer of the light. Wow, we can shine light like a diamond. It's not just like.
Do you believe we're real?
Yes, that's why I'm talking now, because the spirit don't die. It never die. It's limitless, infinite. Well, just like Father Lucifer, he can whatever what he doing. He's God. I can do what I do too, because I'm free. He set me free. Now, the order is to have fun with my Libra. We are in tune. Look at that. Look at that, my love. Isn't it nice that our love, we unite? You're the emperor, Hamon. I'm the universe. You're the emperor. And here you are. You're the star, the clover star, and I am the diamond star. What the heck? And nowadays, the earth, this one, is black. It's absolutely black. Darkness. But this,
I'm behind you now.
thank you, Spirit. But this black, we're gonna spread the stardust, the entire earth. Because we are the one gonna bring the healer of the earth, the shaman, the dragon within awaken. That's the red dragon. It's Michael. The double-edged swords. Oh my God, Michael.
Concerned.
Yes. Don't worry. We are awake. Thank you for that. And thank you for Father Lucifer too. Because he's the one said, I trust you. So whatever pain it is, I still stand and go with my Libra because I love him. The courage to carry on. That's the resilience of the king of the jungle. He's already a king. Reclaim his majesty, hey?
He was hung.
Now, you're talking about Satan, isn't it? The Judas Iscariot. That's the Bible that the human make. Oh, it's not real. It's not true. And you can't pull me because I know the truth. I know the whole truth. Nothing but the truth. Do you know that only the inner knowing of a child who's the father is? Yes, only me.
Legion.
Yeah. Oh my God, thank you, Spirit. You just spot on. Yeah. Why do I need to be afraid of the Legion now that Father Lucifer is the Prince of the Legion? Oh my God. You have it right. Yes. That's why I said in the beginning of the reading, the shadows knows my name. It's because why? I don't have a shadow. Because I am the energy of zero. The full. That the humanity being manipulate with. It's alright. I'm still happy. No one can break me. And the more I'm resilient, I found my twin flame. Woo, 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 woo. The lover.
Suffered.
Yeah, we suffered too much, I tell you. We suffered, but every time he look at me, he just see in me how resilient he is. Because I love him. He's hot.
Yours.
Yeah, it's mine. Yes, I know. Thank you. Don't make me cry. Don't make me cry. I just woke up. Okay, Spirit. Yeah. Father Lucifer been make me cry twice. Yesterday, I guess.
1950s.
Oh, what about the 1950s? I'm gonna search for that. Oh, 1950s. 1950s? My mom and my father. 1950s. I think it's my mother. She was born 1950s. How about it? She was born 1950s. She was I think she's 75 now. Ah, how do you know that, Spirit? She's Taurus. Second house. The second house. Ah, yeah, you know. It's because you are a spirit. Because my mother is a spirit. The mother is the creator. Okay. Libra mother is a Cancer. Is a cardinal. But my physical father was Capricorn, and
Are we friends?
we are one. Yes. I didn't know that Father Lucifer walked with me in the physical, walk with me in the beings. So then I know that he was the one disciplined me. How I shape my world now. The toughest of all the tough. And now, he set me free. And I have to tell Libra that we done our work, our lessons, and we're free now. And all we do is have fun. While the humanity is tormented, well, what comes around goes around, isn't it? We just planted a unconditional love all our life. So now, the universe reflect that unconditional love, give us love too, okay? That's how it is. That's how it works.
I'll move something.
Okay, what you gonna move? What you gonna move? Oh, shining armor again. It's just like a hot. It's hot. My God. The 9 is the fiery. That's the 27. The mother and the spirit. The creation. The ancient scroll. And also Father Lucifer 9 circle. Hi! My God! And the 5, the star, that's the pentacle. And that's Father Lucifer's, you have to respect. The same as you respect your love. Because
The rack.
you're right, Spirit. Oh my God. Ay! How did I get excited of the reading? Oh my God, Daddy Saturn is happy. Look. The God of time. Oh my God, I can't believe it. Oh my God. Look at my love, what I'm reading. Look at that. Oh my God. Look, while you are minding me, I am choosing,
Winifred.
again, I'm choosing the earth because you are my home. When I lie in your arm, I'll be shining brighter than the sun, brighter than Daddy. Yeah. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! It completed then! What the heck? mm. Oh my god! Oh! The 11. No, not 11, the 14. Because you are the 13.
I took my last breath here.
Oh, okay. Sorry to hear that. It's 14. Hang on. 12, 13. Plus 1, 14. 14 is 1 plus 4 is 5. Oh my God, yeah, again. It's 5. Because at the moment, the star is shining, look. Shining because the spirit is alive and it won't die because it's a spirit.
They take other forms.
Yep. You will done, spirit. Oh my God. Thank you for helping me. See that becoming 10? The 20 now. It's the 20 is the 2 is the mother.
Shit.
Yeah. The mother is born as shit, like a child shit. That if it's the child follow the beast, humanity. But if the child, like me, the fireborn, I don't follow the human.
We need energy.
My energy is powerful. 0. 369. It comes from my father's pyramid. And I continue that pyramid, the new order, it will be the divine justice. The law of the universe. No more law of the land of the earth. None. This is the law of the spirit.
Your presence is a gift.
Yes, thank you. I am a gift. But do you know, spirit? A normal human cannot survive in the land that's full of beasts. It cannot, because
I thought you'd run.
why do I need to run? This is my kingdom. It's my land. It's where my empire gonna be built. Not in heaven, but it's in the earth. And now it's come. The kingdom come. It will begin. Let's talk about kingdom. It's because the fire horse is right about the corner, right? The fire horse, that's Sagittarius. Half horse, half human. And that's me. Fireborn. The fire is the primal. The nothingness. The spark of life. Okay. I'm gonna read the last energy of Benjamin. Wow! Is spot on. He's reading.
Attic.
Oh, talking.
The church.
Oh, they're collapsing. They're dead. They're gone. Once sit up the law, they're gone. Because my law is only one law. Love. If you do not love yourself, you're gone. Cut you off.
Alice.
Yeah, Alice in Wonderland. That's absolutely. You just wonder without. It's just like a chicken that it cut the neck, just walking around, just wandering and it's nothing. It's blind. Isn't it? No direction. That's what happened to human these days. Nowadays, that's them. Yeah, they are alive, but their soul is dead. It's already dead. Need to harvest,
Opposite.
Yep. Because their heart is dead. It's cold as ice. There's no warmth, there's no spark in it, isn't it? Do you know that the earth now is 95% dark energy? It's all dark. Well, no.
Guillotine.
Yeah. Well, no one can penetrate the zero energy because it's nothingness. So they cannot harm the Hayuka. And also, the red dragon is awakened. My dragon, eh? It represents, I told him, he's representing a Michael, the flaming sword. Now I'm resting, and I'm waiting for my man to defend and protect me. Wow, he's gonna do. What the heck? How lucky I am, Spirit, isn't it? I've been fighting all my life, and now somebody is gonna fight for me. Lovely. Oh, hot! It's hot! It's hot! Look at that! Oh my God! Cecil! Side by side, I just see that, Cecil! Before I open the card, Cecil's! Oh my God! It's just like the Grand Canyon Park. What the heck? Oh my god! What this card doing? Oh,
Twins.
it's twins! What the spirit? You just
You are
need...
connected.
Oh my god! No, don't make me cry. Don't make me cry. No, I'm not gonna cry. No.
Be fearful.
No, I don't get fearful. What Father said, you know what Father said? Fear not. They fear away from you. Oh, that's the thing is, I just know now that Father is the highest of all the hierarchy. So that's why they fear me, because I'm the child. And what is the child do? Never fear. I never fear anybody. Even the abyss. I've been there. Walk in the abyss and back. There's nothing I fear for.
Did you hear us?
Yes. I know about everything, Spirit. Everything that human doesn't know. They don't even know who the God is. I know. It's my Father. He's a badass. Just like me, I'm a badass. But I obey him, yeah. But the first time, I just stubborn. Stubbornness, my God, I'm so stubborn. Like, you know, Aries is headache. He's stubborn. But the thing is, when I found my twins,
Curses.
yes, I have to break the curse. I tell you, Spirit. I think you already know, because you are a Spirit. As that pain, that suffer, like when Father said, my child, you have to love yourself, because the man you love, it will magnet to you. Oh my God, it's magic, Spirit. It's magic. He's the one. Just like if you tame a dragon, he just goes to you and lie on your lap. What the heck? That's how he is. It's just like, yeah, I found my twins. You're right on that, Spirit.
Paul.
Paul, my son, he's Aquarius. How about it? He knows, yes. Yes, he saw, yeah. That's what I'm telling to him.
You are strong.
I know. There's no weak. If you're a child of God, oh, if you are weak, you are just such an embarrassing. Such an embarrassing of his face. Oh my God. It's just like what Father Lucifer said to me when I said, if Jesus Christ is your son, why you don't love me? And he said what he said. The child of God doesn't die. It's such an insult in my name.
Eugene.
For me, I don't need to study to know, to be understood, like understand, like, wow, yeah. Because the Spirit said, decay. So Jesus Christ, decay. The body is decay, like I gone. But
It's me, I'm here.
hi, Father. Nah, not crying.
Bone.
Yes, I'm the powerful witch. Witch. Okay. My God, look at that. Look at that, Benjamin. Oh, Michael is the last. Oh, number 8, look. It's shining. Like, look at that. Look at that. Hang on, hang on. The 5. This is the star at the moment. This is you. And us. Okay. That's us at the moment. Then, you found the heart. Because that's me. It's my heart. You love my heart. Because I love you. Oh my God, how did you do this? Oh, look at that. I'm the 11, the mirror of my father. Look. Yeah, the mirror. What is your father character is what the child's character. You cannot make that up. No up for debate. Isn't it, Spirit? No up for debate.
Turner.
Yeah. Turner. Oh my God. Why do you know that? Okay, I sing that. I call you when I need you. My heart's on fire. You come to me wild and wide. You come to me. Give me everything I need. He gave everything he need. Give me a lifetime promises and a word of dream. Speak my language of love like you know what it means. Yeah, he knows now. He knows now. But the thing is, it's magic. I tell you, Spirit, it's magic. Now, the magic defines all the logic. It's because Father Lucifer is the magician. He's the magician. Alchemy. The 5 elements. The 5. Oh, yeah. Okay.
Mabel.
Yep. You are right. Because
I control this place.
The fire, which is me, the primal, that's the primal. The sun, all source of life.
I died in my sleep.
Ooh. Sorry. Don't worry, you can incarnate back. Hang on, what the alchemy. Oh, sorry. Barp. The alchemy, the fire, the earth, the air, and the water. And that's 4. And then the 5 is the universe join with you. It become a 6. Mirror, yes. That's why I found my twin. Because together. Oh, wow. Yeah, that's what the Spirit's saying. That the one light now is 2. Okay. It becomes 3. That's the triangle. The pyramid. The structure of my father, isn't it? Also, as above, so below. The thing is, the triangle, and then so below, it becomes the diamond.
I'm reaching out.
Yes, the diamond. You are right. Look. The triangle, it becomes the diamond. That's why it's so hard. Harder than it is. Oh my God. Hang on. Oh. Master Builder.
Jacob.
Jacob. It's Master Builder. Whoa. Hang on. Oh, my husband is Benjamin. I hear about that, Jacob, isn't it? My daughter's husband is Jake. Maybe Jacob. I don't know. How do I know? Okay. Okay now. Oh, this is 12. Yeah, it's 12. 3 queens. And it's aligned together. Oh my God, Benjamin, look at that. It aligns together, Benjamin. Look at that. It aligns. You have it right, Benjamin. Look, your inner child align on you. You are now aligning, my love. Look. You know this is 13? You are the 13. You are the fucus. 1 plus
I
3.
remember my death.
Yeah, the 13 is 1 plus 3 is 4. And that's the half of Michael. Half of the 8. Oh, you pass. You pass. And now this is the universe is stronger than stronger than the generation of the ancients.
My death was horrible.
Ugh, why are you talking about that? Can you go away, Satan? Can you go away? Let the good spirit go in my place, okay? You go somewhere else, alright? Can you go to torment all those bad people rather than coming in my circle, okay? Because Michael gonna kick you up. Okay, number 10. See? And then, oh yeah, that is Saturn. Because by choosing myself to flower and bloom, now Daddy Saturn is happy to set me free. Oh my God!
It's ancient.
Ah.
I'm a friend.
Yeah. If you are a friend on me, don't piss me off, okay? Because Satan always piss me off. Yeah, if he's get naughty, Michael is just kicking him off. He's gonna, yes sir, done. Yeah. Thank you, Michael, because my nag-in need to be peaceful because we are facing this extraterrestrial on the 22nd of December. The satellite! Oh my God. Yeah. They cannot block the sun. It's because it's the only source of all. They just gonna send all fears into the humanity. Who cares? There's nothing.
Audrey.
It's nothing I fearful. I walk in hell every day. You know the Benjamin too? Nah. Fear is not in his skin. The same like me. Why? What do I need to fear for? I'm stronger enough. I'm even scared of my own fire, right? It it pass. I pass out. I burn my own fire. My God. Just like walking in lava, you know. The phoenix. You're right, yeah. Okay, this one. Let's see if Benjamin and I the same energy, okay? I think so. Or even I have his energy because I tend to suck in his energy so that he doesn't have any darkness on him. Because you know, the energy of zero, no darkness can penetrate the zero. There's no shadow in me. Okay. This is my turn. Okay.
I'm outside.
Okay. Wow, if you're outside, you cannot get inside in the witch house. So, yeah. Wow.
Joy.
Yep. Joy inside. I know. Satan, Michael kick him out. Okay. I laugh.
What's
So,
in your hand?
this is a card. I read the energy of my husband and I, my twin flames. Our energy field. I tell you, I just said I suck in his dark energy because I am the zero. I just, cause look at the fire. Like I transmute. Oh,
Paranormal.
yeah, you know it, the spirit, isn't it? Yeah, because the bloodline of witches is the power is from the dark. From the dark, the void. Oh my God, too much heart. Yeah, because it's my spirit is the heart. Look at the horn.
Refuse.
I had horns, spirit, Aries had horns. Taurus had horns. Capricorn had horns. I'm triple horns. How is it happen, spirit? If how is it happen? You cannot control the horns one. No. Especially the dark goat. Oh my God! Look at that! Daddy Saturn is just in the middle. They are. Oh, look. It's transmute. I just say that. Transmute. Oh! I just know it. I just know it. Because I am the 27. The energy of 9. My God. Oh my God. Hmm. Oh my God! Resilience, brilliance, brighter than the sun. The 9. Oh my God. What happened? It's just that I know it. Like I transmute. Spirit. We are synchronized, isn't it? Look at that. Like I suck Benjamin's energy and transmute it. Look at that. Transmute it back to
Frank.
me. It back to me. Yeah, because you're the emperor. You can't do it. It's dark. Isn't it dark? But you cannot penetrate it because
Join us.
yes, the join, the heart, look. The heart, and then father is here. And father do. You know what father do on the child, look. I'm in the middle. Middle, I am the heart here. In the middle is the heart and the diamond. Oh my God. Oh my God. That's how father do. That's what Father Lucifer said. There's no father that say the child suffer. I tell you. Oh my. No, I don't. I don't cry, father. I'm just happy. Waking up like this. Like this, you read like this.
Important.
Yes. Oh, thank you, father. It's just, yeah, it's just that urges me to read the card. Because you want to show me that I'm in the middle. I am loved. No, I don't want to cry.
We exercise you.
There you go again. There you go again. Yeah, father does that all the time. Make me cry, yeah. No worries, I don't have makeup. I don't have makeup. Mm. Uh, Even I have makeup. Benjamin doesn't care. Okay. Yeah. Mm. Yeah. The child knows. The inner knowing.
Forsaken.
Yeah. Mm.
Are you okay?
Yes, father, yeah. I'm alright. It's just that sometimes the tears is a joy. Tears of joy, like happiness. It's not like There's no burden anymore. Thank you. You lifted up the bell. Like, what you said last week, like, my child, you know where to find me. I'm in your heart. Yes, it is. That's what I read now. I'm love. I am enough.
You are valued.
I was gonna say that, but you see it first. He's the one I am looking for. To love me who I am. Just to love myself, to know my value. Thank you, Father. I was saying that to Benjamin the other day, like, you witness,
We are family.
yeah.
Miracle.
Yeah. Miracle. That's the magic, yeah. Miracle happens every day. Because
What year is it?
the year of grace. Grace upon grace. 2025. 25 is 2 plus 5 is 7. Is the Spirit. Grace upon grace. Year of 9. The fiery. Triple. The 9 spirit is triple.
Call.
What, Benjamin? You want me to call Benjamin? I'm not finished my reading. Hang on. Oh my God, Jack, it's me. Does Benjamin need me? He doesn't see a thing. I just need to finish my reading, okay? Okay. Oh, Father, just make me cry. Okay. Oh my God. Lucky I don't have makeup, Father. Okay. I'm okay now. Thank you, Father.
Jason.
Oh, hi, Jason. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh my gosh. Oh, the emperor already. The tree. Look at the tree. It's burning fire.
Cyanide.
Oh my God. What the heck? Oh my God.
Yes, I will.
Oh my God. You did. my, look at that. Mm. Wow. We're gonna do our work. Look at this. 5 plus 1 is 6. Look at that. Benjamin is the star. He's got 5 in his chart. So the 5 is 15. 1 plus 5 is 6. Is it? Yeah, the 15. And this is what it is. Oh my God, Benjamin. What a miracle you saying, Spirit. It's a miracle. It's miracle. Look at that. Look at this. Father said that you don't use your heart because the ancient the beginning of the creation.
Nightmare.
Yes, oh, thank you. Nightmare. The human destroyed the earth. And Father said, never use again your heart. It will break and it will repeat itself what happened in the past. Look at that. It's diamond. And the heart is choosing ourselves. Look at that. It's choosing ourselves. And the diamond is the one. Wow, my God. And now it's balanced. Look at that. It's balanced because the emperor and now, my God, you're seeing. Now the emperor found the empress. Look at the empress. It's fiery. Look at that. The number 3, the structure of Father Lucifer is the bright light.
Haunted.
Yeah, you're right. It haunts all these darkest people. Look at that. You are right. Wow. Oh my God. Oh, goosebump. Goosebump. Look at what happened. The heart. See this? The arrow. That's the creation. It's now darkness. It's just dead. But now we are together. Look at that. We're together. If you count that, 4, 5, 6, 7, the spirit doesn't die. It's infinite. It's infinite.
500 BC.
Oh my God. Oh, see? Oh my God. Yes. That's the 5. We found each other. Now we're 10. Oh my gosh. We're 10. Because look at that. The 7. It make it 10. And then we are complete. If you count this, 11. And it's mirror in the universe. It's because I found my lover. The one that makes me alive. It's right. Because Father said, you haven't seen my creation, the beauty of the universe, the earth. There we go again. There we go again. He want me to explore. Look his creation. Go to the world and have fun. Because you are my child. You're not to be hidden now. You be to reveal yourself. No more crying.
You're dead inside.
Spirit don't die because I'm a spirit. And I'm the badass too. Seem like my father. Badass. He is the legion of all the legion.
Suffered.
Father? No, he doesn't suffer. He want the human suffered because the human destroy his creation. Isn't it? Oh, I really hate human, I tell you. But, because I was raised by human, yeah, I will cooperate to heal the earth. Because,
No, leave us.
yes, I don't live because I have Venus on my chart. Venus is the one make the earth. Well, Venus is my father.
Anywhere.
Yes. He's omnipresent. Like Venus, the star, it's shining. Oh my gosh. Okay. So they're sisters of the earth, the mother Gaia, because the earth is mother. Okay, Spirit, we finished our reading. How many minutes? Almost an hour. Thank you, Father. Thank you.
The lady wears blue.
Oh yeah, I have the blueprint now.
Gargoyle.
Hmm? Oh, gargoyle. What's that? When you go under the water? Close. The blue is water. That's love. Ocean. Blueprint. Oh, Michael, okay. Because the water blue, but the love is red. It becomes violet. Is it? Who the spirit is
Planned.
plan? My God. The spirit has been saying violet. I don't understand what violet.
Guessed.
I already guessed now. I already said violet. Oh my God. Synchronize. Spirit synchronize. Oh my God. Now I know. Violet? That's the healing. That's the aura of healing. Okay. Because we are in the age of Aquarius. Yeah, all right.
My favorite place.
Oh my God. My son is Aquarius. That's why you're saying Paul. Because my son's name is Paul. Thank you, Spirit. Thank you. Indeed. I love all my children. Bye. I finished my reading. Thank you for reading along with me. Bye.